Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. And today's been a pretty casual, lazy day. Been pretty decent weather. I don't know, 70s, 75 maybe. It's supposed to get up into the 80s the next couple days. But even with that said, after our morning outside, Ninja and I just kind of laid around relaxing inside. But then as sunset approaches, I decided we need to go out and get some exercise and be active. And that's what we're going to do. And I have an idea for dinner once I get hungry from the walk. So thanks for joining us. So the sun's just setting. And Ninja and I are going to go out for a little walk. That's where the RV's at. We're going to go down this trail. Beautiful rolling hills, all kinds of different vegetation. Loving it. Somebody asked me a couple months ago when we were walking in the forest if Ninja likes climbing trees. The answer is yes, but she always runs up and runs down before I could get a camera on her. This time she ran down and stopped, so I actually got a little video. Come on, Ninja. Come on. Come on. Going more on this way. There you go. And that's looking to the south. Beautiful valley. Here's where the road goes to the right and back in a circle. But I got to show you this. Hope you got a strong stomach. Look at that. Couches out here. That just makes me want to throw up. Unbelievable. And I think I was complaining about cans and bottles before. Look, and there's Ninja wanting to get to the highest point. She's getting close. Can just make her out. There she is. Yeah, she made it down safely. Don't think it's because I called her. She doesn't listen to me. Well, a little bit when we go on a walk. This is our first walk out here. Not too far from the RV. And of course I got neighbors now. Well, that's okay. And that's to the west, the beautiful sunset. It's cool when we get clouds and you get a really majestic one, but this is pretty nice. Hakuna Matata. And she just wanted to be on the biggest bunch of rocks. She did try to climb down, but this side's too steep. See if she's smart enough to go back down the other side where she came up. That's a good kitty. And we made it home safe and sound, and Ninja won the race. Time for some dinner. So tonight's dinner is going to be just an old favorite, my soft tacos using lunch meat. But this time added some fresh tomato slices and onion slices. Here we go. We've got the tortillas, sliced jalapenos, tapatio, garlic powder, and some shredded Fiesta blend cheese. Now let's put on the lunch meat and slice up those onions and tomatoes. Notice no onion powder needed because we're using real onions. So that's using the Deli Fresh cracked black pepper turkey breast. Got my onions, love onions. Tomato slices on there on top of the meat. Let's get to cooking. I had a change of heart. I went ahead and put the ingredients all over and put another tortilla on top. And we'll see how the flipping goes here. I don't know, kind of like a tortilla sandwich, I guess. Well, I'm not going to do that again. It was a good effort, but the ingredients have everywhere to slide out of. So I'll be folding them into taco shapes, so in the future, nothing falls out. I think there's a half an onion underneath the bottom tortilla, but I'm sure it'll taste good. But also, it's going to be messy eating. So there we go. Glad I got extra napkins. That was delicious and super messy. I'll never do that again. Always fold your tortilla into a soft taco. That was worse to eat than it was to flip. But again, delicious, not a bite left. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please smash that thumbs up button. It's free. What also is free? Subscribing to the channel. You'll get alerts anytime I post a new video and be part of the community here. Love to have you. From Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.